Suffolk, 91 Fahrenheit here in London. And it was a day of contrast. Just look at poor old Glasgow and Belfast, both struggling around 15 degrees and having some rain as well. And there's the band of cloud. Incidentally, we fared pretty favourably with the rest of Europe. If anything, it was hotter than some of the well-known Spanish costas. Now there's that band of cloud again. It is dividing the country at the moment, and it's producing some outbreaks of rain, as you see here on the radar, and these are thundery showers across the northeast of England. That band of cloud is that particular cold front. It's weakening all the while. It's going to be out of the way, and then we'll be looking out on the Atlantic for another set of fronts to bring some cloud and rain in a day or so's time. But at the moment in the southeast, it's a fine, hot, sunny end to the day. We have those thundery showers rumbling away across the northeast of England. They'll move out into the North Sea, and we have this band of cloud with outbreaks of rain into some other northern and western areas. But that's going to be fizzling, as you see here, during the course of the night. Eventually the skies will break and clear in many of those northern areas, and that should make quite a difference to the temperature, because eventually I think in the north temperatures ending up fairly pleasant, around about 11 degrees. But just look at those temperatures in the southeast. In London, a sticky 20 degrees. That's the lowest temperature, which is actually higher than it got all day in some parts of the north. Tomorrow we may well find still a band of cloud down some of those northern and western areas, a little bit of drizzly rain here and there, but that'll soon die out. The cloud should break. It'll be brightening up as well. We're also going to find cloud bubbling up in central and eastern areas, and in any particular spot, just about a 20% chance of the odd shower cropping up in the afternoon or evening, maybe one or two of them fairly heavy and thundery. And although it's going to be dry and sunny in most northern areas for much of the day, later on across Northern Ireland and western Scotland, some cloud beginning to spill in from the west, heralding that next frontal system and those outbreaks of rain. Temperatures tomorrow in northern areas around about normal for the time of year. Still very warm in the south, especially in the southeast, although not quite as hot as it was today. We're also going to have some fairly poor air qualities in some central and southeastern parts of England, and a pretty high pollen count just about everywhere. On Thursday we're going to find some lightish rain working its way across northern areas, much of the rest of the country fine, and a good deal